Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today is Monday, so that means we are playing with some mixed media stuff today. And you can see I did some pre-work with the gorgeous August 2021 kits. I grabbed the picture I wanted to use, and then I had a look into all of the bits and pieces, and I decided to go with the the colors I'm not using them very often, or I'm totally not mixing them, but I was totally inspired by the mandalas from the Paige Evans papers, and so I did some fussy cutting, and I decided to go with the green, a purple and a blue as my color scheme. And here you can see I started to mix my own green shade to get the green that's on the mandalas, and I mixed from Shimmerz Paints a vibes called Jenny Be Blue, and I added some Dandelion Creamies yellow to get that green tone. And my only idea, the only thing I knew, I wanted to have lots of messy watercolors peeking out from behind. And so I'm just splattering a lot of the colors around my paper. And I will have 3 areas with different colors. I also grabbed an inklings called Precious Posy. It's a purple, and another inklings called Oaky Bear Blue, and they were included in some previous color kits, but it's always good to have them on hand because the chances are very good that you can use them with every kit. So you can see today I'm using them for the August kits, and everything is working perfectly fine. Now I'm just bringing in the other 2 colors, and I'm doing the same thing, coloring, adding lots of water to the creamies, to the inklings, and then just splattering them around. I'm also dipping the brush into the water, so the color has some variations in it. There are some lighter areas and some darker spots, and I really love how this is looking so far. In the end, you can't even see some of the blue peeking out from behind, but that's the nature from mixed media backgrounds, and when you want to add some stuff on top, some things are always covered up. But you can see some splatters, and I will place some blue purple things over the blue area, but yeah, I know the color is there, and so I also, it's possible to add some more colors later, but I don't want it to. I just love how this is looking right now, and so I'm just going with it. Here I also grabbed 2 exclusive Pocket Life cards, one in black and white and the other one in the light purple color, and now I'm just starting to play around. I also did some I also cut out 2 of the colored triangles from the big gorgeous color wheel paper from Vicky Booten. But I was not totally sure about the placement, so I need a bit to figure that out. But you can see I'm just starting to play around. I also did some fussy cutting on these gorgeous flower clusters, just because the colors are perfectly matching, and I just wanted to bring in some more flower pieces. The picture shows the dog, the puppy from my very best friend, and the dog loves to give high five, and so it's a perfect picture, and I just love it. So my title will be High Five, and I will be using the gorgeous Simple Stories foam thickers, and yeah, the placement was not that easy, so I will stop on one point because it was driving me crazy just a tiny bit, and so I will figure that out off camera, but you will see that in a bit. Yeah, I totally love the colors today, and I totally love the mandalas. They are just beautiful, and I love the colors. I have never thought about mixing purple with green and blue, so yeah, sometimes it's just a single piece on a paper that inspires you for a layout, and that's totally totally perfect, yes. Just because I love how the layout turned out and I love the colors I have used, and yeah. So here you can see I did turn off the camera, and here you can see where my title is and what I did with the triangles, with the colored pieces. And now I'm just bringing in some colored thread, and I'm going with the same colors like I have on my background paper already. There's some dark blue, some light green, and some very light soft purple. And I'm just placing them underneath the mandalas and the flowers. And then I will grab my hot glue gun to get everything fixed on the paper. And I just love how this is coming together. Yes. So, yeah, here you can see everything is glued down. I added the thread, I added a little label circle, and I totally wanted to use the sticker better together. It's not a sticker, it's a die cut from the exclusive things. I will use it, but I will cut off the green stripes on it. I will just have it with the white. And then I will place it on top of my picture. And these are the Amy Tangerine foam stickers, foam cardboard stickers. And I'm just scattering around some little flowers. And these are the Vicky Booten stickers. And I'm just bringing in some hearts. But I will change the placement from the heart. But you will see that. Then I was looking into the other bits and pieces, but I believe I am nearly done. So I will not add anything else. Or I will add some little sparkling crystal gems from my stash. Oh yeah, and that arrow. Just because I wanted to have some light green down there. So I grabbed a shimmery sticker from Amy Tangerine. And some flowers. No, I will not. I'm just playing around, but in the end I will not add anything else. But I will add some gems, and you will see that in the close-ups or in the final pictures. And yeah, next to that, I am done. Now I will grab my ruler and a pen to get some journaling lines under the word high five or under my title, and then I am done. So you will get some close-ups and some final pictures at the end. And thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you're all doing good, and I hope you're all inspired to create something beautiful today. So grab your kids and have some fun. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, and talk to you soon. Bye.